Good morning, class. This week we're going to talk about analyzing data that can help us improve our marketing by seeing what's already happening with what the posts or website or whatever we have online is already working, and see who's looking at it, what they're really looking at, what they're following, if they have engagement. There's so many different kinds of analytic data to look at. So I want you to start out with checking out some Google Analytics, which is why I had this extra credit for you to add, although not sure how much you can learn this quickly. But it's an interesting thing to add. I have it on my website so I can see how people are visiting my websites and which pages they look at and how long they stay. And so then you can see what's working well and or what you're not working, or what content is not keeping people on your site. So it gives you something to work towards to get better. So let's take a peek at this. And in the second part of the week, we'll talk about Facebook analytics and other analytics, because most social media platforms and other, like the social media management software too, have some analytics that you can use, collect, and figure things out to, again, always improve your marketing. So let's take a look, like I said. So again, what we're going to start with is what for you to figure out what you can learn from Google Analytics. So I have a lecture. This is kind of related to both of the assignments this week because it talks about SEO, search engine optimization, and use on social media and data collecting. And how you can use that, what you learn, and again, improve your marketing overall, which is the whole thing, reason you're being there. So what I want you to, again, do is I want you to read this, and then I want you to research the Google, or check out the Google Analytics for Business page. Here's a link to it, and you can go there, and they have a whole list of analytics you can focus in on. So I'd like you to pick out at least 5 features that you think would be beneficial to your business, and to have you check it regularly. So for me, it's like with my websites, I look monthly to see what's happening, what pages there people are checking out, how many visitors I've had, and things like that. And again, the pages that people stay at the longest, that's what you want to figure out. Is this what appeals to them? Is it done well? Or this is just the content they're interested in? And with the social media platforms, you're going to figure out, which posts do well, and also timing, and do they like videos, or do they like more static images? The text content, does it work well? Is it connecting well with the people, the audience that I really want to reach out to? So like I said, I want you to pick out at least 5 features, and then I want you to write a blog post explaining why you think each of these features would help you with your business. So each feature should have its own subhead, and then explain why you think it would work, what it is about that data collecting or feature that would help you get better at your marketing, or however you see it being used for your business. So again, each feature should have its own subhead, and then some informational supportive details on why it works for you. Then go to the next one. I don't want one big lump paragraph going, well, I think this will be really great because blah, blah, blah. I want you to take each individual one and tell me about it. So that's what I want you to do. Shouldn't take you too long. If you have some great or some past assignments to get caught up on, I'm pretty much caught up on my grading. I think I had 3 more grades or things for a couple of people to grade. That's all. So I'm finally caught up. It's great. And so this is a good time for you to catch up with what's going on. So this will be due by Thursday, and I hope you enjoy it. To me, it's pretty amazing. I guess it's kind of intrusive in some ways, but it's good content to know so that you can figure out what's working. Like I said, what's working well, what's not working well. How can I improve? Um, and some of the things that we were talking about last week, social media management software, will do some of this for you, collect the data and help you figure out what's working, what's not working. So, but Google does that too. They show, like show you times that are working, and again, where the people are from that's watching it. Is it effective for you to be marketing to certain people, or is your business something that needs to be marketing to people nearby, and how can you up that so that you pull those customers in? So again, it's pretty interesting.